Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send USDC from your MetaMask wallet straight to your Revolut account. This is perfect for 2025, with all the latest updates in crypto transfers making things even smoother. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more crypto tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to have a few basics set up. Make sure you have MetaMask installed on your browser or mobile app, it's your gateway to the blockchain. Also, ensure your Revolut account is ready to receive crypto. They've made it super easy in 2025 with direct USDC deposits. Oh, and double check that you have some USDC in your MetaMask wallet. If not, you'll need to buy or transfer some first. Step 1. Open your MetaMask app and switch to the correct network. For USDC, you're probably on Ethereum mainnet or a compatible layer 2 like Polygon. Always confirm to avoid any hiccups. Next, go to your Assets tab and select USDC. Take a quick look at your balance to make sure you have enough for the transfer plus any gas fees. Now, head over to your Revolut app. Navigate to the crypto section and find the deposit option for USDC. Revolut will give you a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully, as it's case sensitive. Back in MetaMask, hit the Send button. Paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the estimated fees. In 2025, these are usually pretty low thanks to network improvements. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction. You'll see it processing on the blockchain. Give it a few minutes. Finally, jump back to Revolut and refresh your account to see your USDC arrive. And there you have it. Your funds are now in your banking app, ready for spending or holding. A quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses to prevent scams, and be aware of any market volatility. If you run into issues, Revolut's support is top-notch these days. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have more crypto questions. See you in the next video.